Hello, today is my hair wash day. If you're interested, watch to the end.
So we'll be starting with detangling Miriam's hair. She has been carrying this braid for almost 2 months. Herein we have only water, just water inside. We start with water. And then section the hair. And I will be also using this shampoo, this leave-in conditioner cream to detangle her hair before washing. With a lot of water for this to get all the knots out. I hope you can see this the way we are doing it. We first use my finger to detangle all the knots. So more of the leave-in conditioner, and we use white teeth comb to detangle. We start from the tip to the end, detangling all the knots in her hair out. Then put it in a twist. And also in here I have warm water. I think with warm water makes it so easy in detangling all the knots. And it's so easy to detangle now. A lot of water. And more of our conditioner. As you can see, she has a lot of hair. A lot. Look at that coils on her hair. Look. It's dirty, but it's so pretty. I hope you can see the way we are using our finger to detangle all this hair and loosen up all the knots she has under her roots. And this makes the washing process so easy. Again, conditioner. So now we are done detangling the hair. So easy. In here for the washing, I have African black soap inside. It's not the shampoo that is inside. I just use the container in pouring my African black soap I made for myself. Please, if you are interested to see how I make my African black soap, write me down. Leave your comment. Okay, you can see it's different color from the original shampoo. It's my African black soap that is inside. Why I'm using African black soap is to clarify Miriam's scalp. She has been carrying this braid for 2 months now, and I really need to clean her scalp, get all the build-up in her hair out. So I'm focusing the shampoo in her roots to make sure her roots, her scalp, everywhere is clean and free from anything like build-up. In case any of you have African black soap in your home, it's a very good shampoo to clean up your scalp. It helps against dandruff and all sorts of things that are not good for your scalp.
Time for deep conditioner.
And you guys see that? It's so smooth and nice. So for this, I'm first going to rub everything on her hair, then work it in smaller section. It's a little bit dried again. That definition. Oh, that. So now we have done detangling Miriam's hair. Those are my old plastic bag I got from the shop. I don't throw anything away. Now I'm going to cover it. And here I got my steamer. This steamer here, I made it myself. Inside is coffee seed. So I'm going to put this in microwave for about 5 minutes and put it on her hair to let her hair steam very well. So I'm just going to let this, it's hot now, very warm, and sit on her hair for about 30 minutes time, and we'll wash it out. Can you see the shrinkage on her hair? Look. Caring more special for your ends is so important because they are the oldest part of your hair. So you can see sometimes I add more products on the end because we don't want them to get damaged. We want to retain a lot of length. Where it's a little bit to detangle, I use my finger to make sure I get rid of all the knots inside. And brush and smooth everything together. And I'm not doing it tight, not to give her a lot of tension in her hair. We don't want her to feel pain. This thread here is very short, so I'm just going to use this one here and join them together to finish the hair. Come close. Not so. Yeah. So guys, this is the way I detangled and washed my daughter's hair and get it ready for our next style. You know, this way when I take the hair out, it will be so straight without no heat, without no using heat. This African trading method works a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like
And subscribe.
and leave us comments, okay? We want to hear from you. We want to know how you think about this hair. how we wash our hair and what you want us to change or add. See you in our next video. Bye bye.